connecting with this beautiful healing meditation. I am your guide, Yogita. Let's begin. Take a moment to settle into a comfortable position. Make sure your back is well rested and spine is straight. Now, gently close your beautiful eyes and start taking deep, long breaths. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Once again, inhale and exhale. Now bring your awareness to the top of your head and imagine a warm golden light gently washing over these areas. Slowly move your attention down to your forehead, your eyes, and your jaw. This beautiful warm light is relaxing these areas completely. Moving down to your neck and shoulders. Feel the warmth and relaxation spreading, melting away any stiffness, stress, and tension. Travel down to your arms, through your elbows, wrists, and into your hands. Feel them becoming heavy and relaxed. Relaxed and relaxed. Shift your focus to your chest and abdomen. With each breath, feel your chest rise and fall, releasing any pressure and discomfort. Move your attention to your lower back and hips, allowing the soothing light to release any tension there. Now bring your awareness down to your legs, knees, and feet. Feel the relaxation flowing all the way down to your toes. Now imagine yourself in a peaceful place. It may be a beach or a quiet, beautiful forest. Picture this place in as much as detail as possible. Feel the gentle breeze on your skin. Hear the soothing sounds of nature and see the vibrant colors all around you. Now imagine a healing light surrounding you. This light represents peace, calm, and healing energy. Visualize this light entering your body, traveling to your kidneys. With each breath, feel this healing light cleansing your kidneys, removing any toxins and restoring them to full health and vitality. Now repeat the following affirmations. With each breath, my kidneys efficiently remove waste and toxins from my blood. Every nephron in my kidneys is healthy, vibrant, and working at its full capacity. I trust my body. I love my body. My kidneys are powerful filters, purifying my blood and keeping me healthy. I release all the tensions and stress and allowing my kidneys to function at its full capacity. The healing energy within me nourishes my kidneys, promoting their natural healing. I am grateful for the cleansing my kidneys and removing all the impurities. Each day, my kidneys become stronger, healthier, and more efficient. I am surrounded by healing light that supports the healing of my kidneys. I trust my body. My kidneys functions perfectly, eliminating all the waste and maintaining optimal fluid balance. My kidneys are powerful filters, purifying my blood and keeping me healthy. I am thankful for my kidneys. Feel these affirmations resonate within you and sense the healing occurring in your kidneys. With each affirmation, you are becoming more connected to your kidneys' health. Now slowly bring your awareness back to your physical surrounding. Feel the surface beneath you, and when you are ready, gently open your eyes. Thank you for joining this healing meditation.